Hindi ko alam yung song.
Hello
Ano
po,
ba
this is
yan?
Lola Gary. Requested song po ito.
Kala ko solo.
Para sa'yo. And Dory was her name, a not so very ordinary girl name. But who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean nothing.
And Audrey was a name. We read the light and dance together to the moon. But where was June? It never came around. You hated it, never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words, but then the meaning going past.
But gonna miss the girl, and I go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. And Dory was her name. I never knew her, but I love her just the same. I love her name. Wish that I had found a way, and the reasons that would make her stay.
I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can have the one I want, I will do without the best.
But how I miss the girl, and I go a million times around the world just to say she had been mine for a day. Salamat po.
Thank you.